testing the Choc Box electric diddley bow. First with clean sound, no effects. Our setup is a steel string pickup made from a solenoid from a microwave oven or some other appliance, I'm not sure. And then there is a guitar lead to an adapter to fit to the iPad headphone input. You can buy this or you can make your own. The instructions are in a different video here. It's very easy, it's just a few components. Then there is the iPad headphone splitter adapter. You can buy this for about $10 from many electronics shops. And then there's one lead to a small amplified speaker. And on the iPad there is the Megaphone app, which is just a preamplifier in this case. Then we try the Nembrini Crank V2 effects. It will sound different. It's distorted. I can't play music, so don't expect anything beautiful, just tones. Using a slide and a pick. We're still with the electric chocolate tin. And next we try the Nembrini 808, which is another free app. It's distorted, isn't it? Some drive. Change the tone. And today last we're going to try the Launchkey free app with the Jamsynth free app. The Launchkey needs a pitch to MIDI converter to convert the audio analog signal to MIDI. First on the Jamsynth we have to adjust the input threshold. And make sure the MIDI is on and the virtual MIDI is on. Quite nice sound, isn't it? Just one thing, the Launchkey is not available anymore on the App Store. It's been taken off a few years ago. It was too good. It was free, so there are similar apps, but this one is not available at the moment. If somebody still has it, it's very good, but just can't buy it. Something similar is the Animog and the DRC synth. They can generate some similar sounds, but not quite as good as this one.